my god, guys, just look at how pigmented the palette looks. Just look at that. So I tried it on my arm so that you guys will see it, simply because, you know, I can't really apply makeup because of the weather. You know, it's summer. Guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite girl, EmmieGold. So guys, in today's video I'll be doing an Aliexpress makeup haul videos. As you guys know, yeah, if you know me so well, you will know that I love shopping on Aliexpress. So if you don't know Aliexpress is a shopping site that is based in China, because most of the seller is based in China, yeah. So it is an online shopping site based in China, and they sell a lot of things. They sell clothes, they sell shoes, they sell bag, anything you want in this life, you can literally get it on Aliexpress. So I got some makeup on Aliexpress, which is the one you're seeing here. I had to clear that place so that I can show you guys, you know, properly. And please ignore the noise. There's a construction going on in my building, and this video has been taking the longest time to make. So I'm like, today I must do this video today, either this construction worker, if they like it or not, I must do this video today. So in case you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amdat. I am a Nigerian mom of 3, and I make my videos from Germany. So if you're here to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Yes, I have loads of fun videos you can watch on my channel, and I still have interesting videos that I'm here to upload. So please subscribe, join the EmmieGold family, and whenever you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. I am overwhelmed by the love you guys are showing me on this platform, and I am not taking you guys' love for granted. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you. So guys, I'm going to go right into the video because I don't want this video to be too long. So no long talking, let's get into the video. This item is like 20 euro or below 20 euro. I don't really remember the prices, but as you all know, I'll be inserting the pictures of each product so that you guys will know the actual price. So the first thing that I got from Aliexpress is this lipstick organizer, and I love this thing so much, as in it's just a lifesaver with your lipstick. Not only your lipstick, if you also have like a foundation or your lip liner, you can absolutely keep them in this, and also your concealer. And it has about this is about 24 or so, yeah, 16. Yeah, this is about 24 pieces. Yeah, I mean 24 holes where you can keep your lipstick, and it comes in a transparent color, which I love so much. This thing is literally a lifesaver, and I think I got this for about €3.50. Not really sure, but I'm going to use. Second item that I got from Aliexpress is this beautiful makeup brush. I just love the color. Lately I've been obsessed with anything tie and dye or marble like. I don't know why, I've been really obsessed with it. So I got this makeup brush that comes in like how many pieces? This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is about 15 pieces makeup brushes, and I got this for about €4. Guys, don't mind me, I'm not really sure about the price, but definitely I'll be inserting the pictures. So this is what the makeup brush looks like. As you all know, I'm still learning how to apply makeup. I'm not a professional, I'm still a beginner. So this is the makeup brushes. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see it here. This is it, and it is super affordable, and the brushes is so soft. When I mean soft, it is very soft. It's soft on the skin. Just look at that. My makeup game is about to be lit, trust me guys. I'm still in there now though. So this is, just let me show you, this is a closer look on what the brush looks like, which I think it's so cute. Is it not cute? It is very One item from Aliexpress is this makeup brush organizer, which I got, and I got this, I don't know the price, but I'm definitely going to insert the picture. So this is how it came, and this is how it looks like. It came joined. Actually, when I saw it, I thought it was separate, but yeah, when it came, it was joined together, which I like and I love it. So this is what it looks like, and it comes in like white color. So I'm just going to put the brush that I dropped earlier, I'm going to put the brush in it so that you guys can see. So this is the brush, and look at that. for us mothers that have kids, I think this thing is a lifesaver, because sometimes I just see my brush in the kitchen, sometimes I see my brushes in the sitting room, sometimes in my kids room, because there's no place for the brushes. But this is actually a lifesaver. I think not only can you keep makeup brushes in this, if you have lipsticks, like your lipstick or your concealer or maybe biro pen, I think you can definitely keep them in. Item from AliExpress is this jewelry organizer. Actually, I want this one on AliExpress. Yes, on AliExpress you can actually apply for freebies, which is some things then they will be giving to you for free. I actually want this on AliExpress, but when I checked the price, it was around €4. But I want this, though I paid for shipping. I think I paid about €1 and some cent for the shipping. I can't remember. So this is what it looks like. This is like the head and this is like the board. So I'm going to like open it so that you guys can see. So yeah, so this is the bottom and this is the top. So I think it will go like this. So let me, yes guys, isn't this cute? Just look at that. It is so cute, so beautiful. You can actually put your rings, your earrings, your chain, and this place also you can just put anything here. I think this is so cute. What do you guys think? And it is super affordable for the price. For €4, I think it's about affordable. Yeah, it is, and it is so beautiful. And here, I remember, this is off topic. Actually, this flower also is from AliExpress. This my background flower. I got it on AliExpress and I got it for around €1.50. Only the flower without the bottom. So I'm going to also link the flower in case you want to get it, because I can't do the whole of flower differently. So yeah, so as I was saying, look at this mini sponge holder. Yes, now I got the name. Mini sponge holder. It is very beautiful and I got this for I think €1 plus. Yeah, so I can actually keep my sponge here because my sponge has been flying from one place to the other. So this is like a great place to, you know, keep your sponge. This two thing here, I've forgotten what really is in there, but I'm going to check. Okay, so this is a shimmer stick. Yeah, okay, this is a shimmer stick and this is how it looks like. You know what shimmer is now, that shine something. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, a lipstick, but it is not lipstick. I think I love this particular one because the flat one, sometimes when it drops the thing will just break and scatter. So that is why I went for this actual one. Even if this one should fall from my hand, it won't break. So that is why I went for this, and it is super affordable. I think about €1 plus. So that is the amount that I got. This is the first one, shimmer stick, and the second one is this highlighter face duo. Let me check what is in it. Okay, yeah, so this is like a concealer and like a yeah, a concealer and an highlighter. Yeah, that is it. So yeah, actually I'm not supposed to do this on camera though. I'm not supposed to do this on camera, but yeah, normally I do videos of testing makeups that I get from AliExpress. I do the video, but now it is summer. It is so hard to apply makeup now during summer. Y'all know what I mean, because the heat alone won't make the makeup stay. So yeah, just look at that. It blends so well into the skin, in my opinion. Yeah, it blends so well. Can you guys see that? You will even hardly notice, which I like. So I've even got some message like people tell me to stop getting makeup from AliExpress because of my skin. So this is my skin. There's nothing wrong with getting makeup on AliExpress. Even if you take proper care of your skin, you know, after applying makeup, I mean before applying your makeups, you put on your concealer, your moisturizer, and even after you remove the makeup, then you still like take care of your skin. I don't think you will have any breakout. So ever since I've been using AliExpress makeup, I've never noticed any like any changes in my skin, because I'm still a beginner. You don't like expect me to start off with expensive makeup when I am still learning. So Aliexpress is a go-to for me. Yeah, so maybe by the time I become a professional, yeah, maybe I can by then go to Revolution, or what is the name, then I can get my makeup from there. But for now, your girl is broke, and this is where I can get makeup that I can afford, literally. Next one is this Luxury Banana Powder. It is actually a setting powder. I got one last year, yes, from my first Aliexpress makeup video. If you've not seen the video, the link will pop up. So I got one, but that one isn't my color. Whenever I use it, it tends to make my face you know, very white, which I don't like. So I had to go for my actual color, which is this this actual one. And this one is about, I think, €1, €2, if I'm not mistaken. So moving on to the palette, which is my absolute favorite, because I've tried the palette. Even though during summer I don't apply makeup, at least I still make sure to like have some eyeshadows on my eyelids. So the first palette is this particular one. Actually, I first saw this one on Jenny's Love channel, and I thought I should get it because I love playing with colors, even though I'm still a beginner. But yes, I still want to play with colors. That is what prompted me to get this particular one. Can you guys see that? Just look at all those colors, and it is so pigmented, very pigmented. I'm going to try this on my hand so that you guys can see it. And I think I got this is the most expensive out of everything I got, and I got this for €8, around €8, yeah. And I just love how the color is, you know, in different shades. So now just let me like try to swatch. Is this swatch? Yeah, so I'm going to try them here. So the first one is this green. Can you guys see? And the other one is like this orange. Please excuse the noise. Why does the orange match with my skin tone? Orange. And I have yellow here. Yellow. And I have red. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, isn't it? This is what it looks like. And if any professional makeup artist should handle this palette, they will definitely do justice to this palette. And I got this palette for just €8. Yeah, you heard me right, €8, and you're sure going to love it. So our next item is this 6-color glitter eyeshadow palette. It looks like, open. So guys, this is what it looks like. Can you see? Just look at that glitters. Just look at that glitters. Just look at that. And I think I got this for €2, maybe €3. I can't remember, really. I can't remember. This is what it looks like on my hand. Yeah, and this is the palette. The casing alone is so cute. Just look at that. So our last item for today's video is this palette. I think I've used this just about once, and this is a 16-color eyeshadow palette, and this is how it came. The casing is so beautiful, trust me. Yeah, it is so beautiful. The video is not really doing justice to this thing, so I'm going to remove it and open. Boom. Guys, just look at that. Don't sleep on Aliexpress. If you're sleeping on Aliexpress, trust me, you don't want to. Don't sleep on Aliexpress. Don't do that. If you are doing that, you need to stop. So okay, I've actually tried these glitters, and when I did, I love it so much because it was popping. When I went out in the sun, the thing was just doing, it was just doing like that. So I love it. So I'm going to try a swatch test just like I did with the first palette. So this first, look at that. My hand is dirty, so I'm going to try this brown one. I love brighter colors though. I don't do nude color. Just look at the palettes. Just look at them. They are so pigmented, highly pigmented, I mean. And I got this one to around €3 or €4. Don't, I can't really remember, but definitely I'll be inserting the pictures in each of the items so that you guys can see. So this is our last item for today's video. So guys, that comes to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do enjoy this video, please share it out, and also make sure to give me a massive thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, like, why sis, why haven't you subscribed? Subscription is free. Please support your girl. Yes, support me so that we can take this ministry to the permanent side. So the link to all the items will be in my description box, including the flower. I got the flower from Aliexpress, so in case you want to get the flower as well, I will link it in the description box. And also I have other Aliexpress videos on my channel. You can definitely check them out if you want. So till I see you guys again in my next upload, I remain your one and only Ofu, EmmieGold TV. See you. Bye.